Hey folks, Will Holder with the William Holder Realty Team. Wanted to share a nice tip for you. If you're a homeowner and you're looking to buy a home and you have to sell your home in the current market, here's a tip we've been giving some of our homeowners to get this completed, and it's worked like a charm. If you have the equity available in your primary residence, and most people that are looking to do the move up have been there for a while, they've had the benefit of COVID appreciation, and they now have enough equity to make it work. They're going to a local bank or credit union and they're getting a home equity line of credit on their primary residence. This gives them the power and the money they need to put down on the purchase of their new home if they don't already have enough cash. And that way they don't have to make their offer dependent on the sale of their original home. Nothing saying you can't still list your original home and get it sold within a time frame, but having the money to close regardless gives you the ability to take your home sale contingency out of the equation, and it makes your offer significantly stronger. If you want high-level tips like this that we're showing our buyers and sellers to help them get the houses they want in this market, reach out. WilliamHolderRealty.com or Will@WilliamHolderRealty.com or 610-657-6215.